First thing on this one, just to mention, you're going to want to check the submission directions, and you want to do an archive scene file. Um, so for that, you do File, Archive Scene, and then when you do that, that creates a zip file and it puts it in your scenes directory. And then it includes, for example, all of your texture images and your source images and that stuff. So I'm just going to assign the Lambert 1 to this so I can see. Oh, you shouldn't change the color of Lambert 1. You should leave that default. I'll go just ahead and assign a new material. Why didn't it do it for everything? Okay. Funny little character. Um, let's check your UV maps. Why does this really need to all be? Is this one continuous shape? I guess it is. Um, looks like this. See, this is overlapping just a teeny bit. There's no reason for it to. Just take this UV shell and move it down. Oh, I guess both of these. And see how that disappears. Now you know you're in one. Yeah, you might just spread these out a little bit just to give yourself more room in case you paint that in Photoshop. Yeah, this one I would lay out again. Control L. Might as well use all that space. That looks good. I wasn't really looking at the checkers, but they look good. That looks good. Yeah, can't really find too much fault with the UV layout. Just make sure everything stays within the 0 to 1 range. And again, this one, I'll just do Control L. Let me scale that in a little bit so it doesn't overlap. But you can lay those out nicer. But that doesn't. Oh god, those are tiny. What's going on with that? Control L. Let's scale those down a bit. Okay, so yeah, it's all pretty straightforward. Just make sure you're staying in the 0 to 1 range, and yeah, make sure it stays organized. But I think they're generally very good.